Right, so I wanted to do a quick video for you. So this customer sent this cluster to us. It's from a Range Rover Discovery 2010. Now, it does work on the later years as well. It's the same sort of cluster. Now, you might not see it, but the gauges will move slightly. So I'm going to switch it on now. Just put it on at the back. The gauges move, but you can't see anything on the display. Now, the customer said that it's actually intermittent. So luckily for us, it's actually failed when we switched it on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this over to the techs to have a look at and see what they find with it. And then it's going to come back to me and I'll show you the results once it's been repaired. So we got the cluster back from the technicians now. It's all fully working. It took a little bit longer than we expected. One of the drivers was faulty, which we've never seen before, but they found the fault, replaced the drivers, and it's all working now. So I'm just going to switch it on for you guys and just show you. So as you can see, it's all working. All the gauges are working. Cluster's come back to life. It's been put on soak tests for about 8-9 hours. So we know that it's 100% working. So if you have any clusters like this that need repairing, send it in to us. We could repair it for you.